Tired of messy spreadsheets riddled with duplicate entries? Let's dive into how to find and highlight those pesky duplicates in Google Sheets. First, select the range of cells where you want to find duplicates. This could be a column of names, email addresses, or any data you want to check. Next, click on the Format menu at the top of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down, select Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Format Rules sidebar on the right. In the Conditional Format Rules sidebar, under the Format Rules section, find the Format Rules section. Open the drop-down menu and scroll down to the bottom. Choose Custom Formula. This lets us use a formula to identify duplicates. In the formula bar, enter the following formula equals count of A11. Be sure to change the A if your selected range is different. Now, customize how you want the duplicates to be highlighted. Under Formatting Style, you can change the background color, text color, or even make the text bold. Click on the fill color icon and select the color you want to use to highlight your duplicate entries. Finally, click the Done button at the bottom of the sidebar. Google Sheets will now highlight all the duplicate entries in your selected range based on the formula and formatting you've chosen. You can now easily review and manage these duplicates to clean up your data.